Welcome to Propel. Don't miss a beat when your brand or client is being talked about in online, print, social media, or on radio and TV. Hey there, I'm Martin. And in this video, I'll guide you through the process of monitoring your PR campaign using Propel's powerful monitoring suite. Let's get started. First, go to the Projects tab and click Add New Project. Then click on Start Project, add your project name, and select the related account. Next, click on Create Monitoring Alert. This is where you'll define what you want to track across different media categories. Propel allows you to create alerts for 3 key categories: online and print, social, and broadcast. Let's walk through each one. In the Online and Print tab, start by selecting your sources using the drop-down menu. Choose the genre of news and the nature of the sources you want to track. We suggest keeping all selected for the best results. You can also block specific sites by entering their URLs. Set your coverage start date. Please note that for online and print monitoring, you can choose to start coverage monitoring from a past date. However, for social and broadcast, tracking only starts from the day you set the alert. Checking the Group Mentions box will group together syndicated coverages, that is, the same coverage that has been republished by a third-party website. Lastly, enter your query, including keywords, countries, languages, and domains. For detailed guidance on writing queries, check out our guide linked below. Now, let's move to the Social tab. Select the social media platforms you want Propel to track. Propel supports Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We highly recommend you mention pages you want Propel to put extra focus on under Monitored Pages. Choose the languages of the content and specify any pages you'd like to block. As before, enter your query to define what you want to track. In the Broadcast tab, select the countries where you want to track broadcasts. Then, just like in the other categories, enter your keywords to track relevant coverage. Once you've set up your alerts, all you need to do is wait and let Propel do all the heavy lifting for you. All your tracked mentions will be available for review in your monitoring dashboard. Click the link in the description for a detailed guide to the monitoring dashboard and more. If you're ready to take your content project to the next level, you can easily convert it into a full-blown PR pitching campaign by clicking Convert to A to Z Project. Need to collaborate? Click the plus icon anytime to add contributors to your project or for specific tasks. That's it. You're now equipped to monitor your PR campaign effectively with Propel. For more details, check out our related guides and video tutorials linked below. Thanks for watching.